The ongoing innovation is what makes my job at Volvo so exciting. I think the big evolution coming is in how we support those vehicles and support our customers to continue to do that in a more efficient way. We keep the vehicles on the road for much longer. My name's Pieter. I've been with Volvo Group for 13 years and I'm a Regional Service Solutions Manager. I'm personally involved in the real-time monitoring project. This is where we take the data from the vehicle and our real-time monitoring team in Ghent, Belgium actively looks at the vehicle. And through machine learning and some clever AI tools and data from previous cases, they can predict when certain components on the vehicle might fail, which will allow us to fix the vehicle before it breaks down on the road. I work with a group of dealers as well as National Fleet, where we support them and of course our customers with service agreements as well as with telematics subscriptions. It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. We look at all the customers, how their business works, what the application is like and what sort of work they do, and then we try and tailor our solutions to meet their demands. The vehicle will transpond data within certain intervals. For instance, if a customer wants to track his vehicle in Volvo Connect, he'll be able to see the positioning of the vehicle every minute. But if you want to have odometer readings from a vehicle, you might only want to extract that information weekly or monthly for that matter. I've been involved in many projects over my 13 years with Volvo Group, but this has been one of the favorite projects. We are now active and running with real-time monitoring in Australia, so going forward, all heavy-duty Euro 6 and battery electric vehicles will have this service on them if they are on a gold service contract.